Okay, so far we have covered two sections in this chapter. So you have learned about ratios, you have learned about equivalent ratios. So the next one is that how do you express ratios in their simplest form? As I have told you earlier, your ratio must be in the simplest form. So if you look at page 78, to express a ratio in its simplest form, divide the quantities by HCF or multiply the quantities by the lowest form. Alright, so let's look at example 4. Okay, at example 4 you have 800 grams to 1.8 kilograms. So you must change this into the simplest form. So you must make sure that the units are the same. So that gives you 800 to 1,800. Okay, so that would be dividing 800 divides by 200 and 1,800 divides by 200. So your final answer would be 529. Okay, that is easy, very easy. Okay, so let us look at next example. Okay, so I have 32, 224, 220. Okay, I can divide them with their HCF. Alright, so you still remember how to find HCF? You must do the repeated division. So the HCF would be 4, highest common factor. Okay, so you divide by 4, divide by 4. So that means you have 8 to 6 to 5. So that is your final answer. Okay, now what if you have your fractions? 3 over 5, 7 over 10. Okay, so when we have fractions, usually we will multiply with LCM, lowest common factor. So lowest common factor can also be found using repeated division. So I hope you guys still remember. Okay, let me show you. So we have here 5 and 10. Alright, the denominator. So if you want to find out what number should you multiply the fraction with, you just find the LCM. Alright, so 5, 10, you can divide with 2, so that gives you 5, 5, and divide with 5, 1, 1. I hope you still remember this. So to find the LCM, 2 times 5, that gives you 10. Alright, so moving back to your ratio, so that means 3 over 5 times 10, and also 7 over 10 multiplied with 10. Okay, so you will get 6 to 7. So that is your final answer. Okay, now for example, you have 0.04 to 0.12 to 0.56. So all of them are decimal. So definitely to change into integers, you must multiply with 100, right? So that gives you 5 to 12 to 56. Then the next thing you need to do is you divide by 4, divide by 4, divides 4. So that will give you 1, 3, 14. So this is your final answer. Okay. So what you need to do is page 38, question number 3. Okay. So we will only cover 3 subtopics today.